Hi, I'm going to start a series on ICH. It is my first video regarding introduction and aim of ICH. So, ICH is international. That is international. ICH is International Council. 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 In easy language, you can say council is a type of meeting for harmonization. For harmonization to comes together. It means it is international global meetings council for get together harmonization of technical requirements of technical requirements technical requirements for technical for the technical requirement technical requirement for pharmaceuticals technical requirements for pharmaceuticals. These are the product of pharmaceuticals like injectables, tablets, capsules, and other medical devices. So it is a international council. It is a international council council for harmonization of technical requirements. It's technical facilities of pharmaceuticals for human uses for human uses. How pharmaceuticals work as humans organ system. You can look here the human body. So the complete definition of ICH. ICH is an international council for harmonization of technical requirements for pharmaceuticals. Technical requirements for pharmaceuticals for human uses. This guideline is focused on humans' health. Look here, it is a international meeting or council to comes together, that is called harmonization for of technical requirements for pharmaceuticals for human uses. It's a simple definition of ICH or full form of ICH. ICH work as a international levels to comes together in a form of council and discuss the technical requirement or technical specifications regarding manufacturing of pharmaceuticals, pharmaceutical medicines, pharmaceuticals devices for human uses. This is the simplest explanation of ICH, about ICH. So our next topic is aim of ICH. Aim of ICH. ICH is bringing the regulatory authorities and pharmaceutical industry. In our forthcoming lectures, we will discuss about what is regulatory authorities and what is pharmaceutical industry. These are two most important part of ICH. So aim of ICH is it is bringing together regulatory authorities and pharmaceutical industry to discuss scientific and technical aspects of pharmaceuticals and development. This is just an introductory part of ICH, where we learn ICH is an international council. ICH is an international council for harmonization. It means ICH is an international meeting to work together for pharmaceuticals for human uses. How much technical requirements to be required. Okay, it is the simplest form of ICH, where we also look aim of ICH. ICH is bringing together the regulatory authorities and pharmaceutical industries. In our forthcoming videos, we will be very smoothly discuss about what is regulatory authorities and what is pharmaceutical industries, how pharmaceutical industry work, what is the requirements uh, is what is requirement for formulation, R&D, and all the other departments. So let's stay with us. Thank you.